Welcome back. If you've watched all the previous design basic videos, we'll now apply those principles to build two designs. So let's get started. In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how this flyer was designed and then show you how to adapt it into a different piece of collateral. This flyer is set up on an 8.5 by 11 canvas for print. To keep everything balanced, I used the 12-column grid in Canva. The logo and headline, Alumni Network, sit across the top columns so they can stand out. The subheading, New Opportunities Available Now, adds context right underneath it. The 3 checkmark benefits are aligned neatly within the grid, which helps keep the text easy to scan. At the bottom, I placed a group photo spanning the whole width to add warmth and relatability. Finally, the bold call to action button stretches across the lower column so it's impossible to miss. Next, I'll resize the design to an Instagram story format. Simply go to Resize, and here they have social media presets already. We're going to do Instagram story, which is 1080 by 1920. We're going to say copy and resize. Click the button. Hit open your story. Now that we have our Instagram story size, it just doesn't look as clean. The image here that it's placed everybody in now is way too small. So in this instance, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to crop this. So I'm going to crop it down to just 3 students. But I don't like the flow of it, so I'm going to flip this image. Simply up here, go flip horizontal, and shift it to fit the design better. Just make sure that anytime you flip an image, that there's no words that are legible on the photograph that will read them backwards. Now that I have the image fixed, I think the call to action is a little too small as well. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger and then shift it down. We want it to be very legible on a small screen. And that's it. By starting with grids, you can keep your flyer balanced and then easily adapt it for digital formats like Instagram stories.